Alam nyo ba, for as low as 1,890, you can book a nice hotel room na dito sa Ortigas with overlooking city view, gym and swimming pool, well-maintained and spacious room, may conference room for meetings and special occasions, and walking distance lang going to Estancia Mall, Capitol Commons. This is Privato Hotel, Ortigas Branch, an Italian-inspired business and lifestyle hotel. We got deluxe double queen, 2 queen-size beds, malinis, maayos, mukhang bago, may TV, refrigerator, at may pa-surprise welcome cake pa kami. May complete toiletries, clean toilet and shower room, and nice mini office desk, and high-speed Wi-Fi, and they have mini kitchen pa na pwede kang magluto. Alam nyo, ang ganda ng review sa kanila dito, and totoo nga, very friendly, attentive, and accommodating ang staffs. Kaya very comfortable yung stay namin. Nagustuhan ko rin yung roof deck lounge nila kung saan kami nag-breakfast buffet and dinner. Eto pa, free yung parking and they accommodate late checkout requests without an extra charge as long as hindi fully booked. Clean and nice yung lobby nila with small cafe area. Overall, na-amaze ako sa customer service nila dito. Highly recommended. And additional tips, use this code to enjoy extra 10% discount.